Hey everybody, welcome back to Small Business Manager. Today we are learning how to create and set your email signature in Outlook 365. This is the web version, but these instructions are very similar to what you would use on the desktop version as well. Let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to look for the settings button on the web version. It's in the upper right-hand corner next to your name. We'll go ahead and click that. Next, we're going to go up to account here at the top, and last we're going to click on signatures. A box will pop up that looks kind of like a blank email box. This is where we're going to create our new signature. So let's call this SBM signature 1. And we're going to go ahead and set our signature. This here is kind of your classic email signature format. You start with your name, your title down below, and then you're going to add the details. Classically, you don't really need all of this information. For me, I usually like to include my phone number, website, and my email. Anything above and beyond that would be particular to whatever industry you're in or whatever business you run. So you can kind of cater your email signature to match what it is you do for a living. Let's pop back in. On here, we're gonna start with our name. So let's do this for Bradley Bossman. Here he is. Typically, we want the name to be in bold and then a little bit larger. Make that be a size 16. Underneath, we're gonna go back to a size 12. We'll say he's the owner, operator of Business One. And then down below, we're gonna include his phone number. And let's go ahead and include the website here. You can really make this into your own signature. Down here, this is where you'll go ahead and select which font you want to use. Some people will use more of a handwriting type font. Please don't use Comic Sans, but a different handwriting type font to do the actual signature here. Some people will put that in more of a cursive font to make it look like an actual signature. Whatever you would like to do will work. You can also opt to include an image. So a lot of times people would use their logo or anything that really pertains to your business. It'll usually pop in there very large, so you'll want to go ahead and scale that back to match your signature. And typically we want this to be everything oriented to the right side of the screen is that classic format. Once your email signature has been created, we first need to save that email signature. Once you've saved that email signature, we're going to go to the drop down here. These are to select your default signatures. What a default signature means is that this signature that we've just created is going to pop up on a new email the moment we open that window. And I'll show you once we get that set up. Now, for replies and forwards, this means that anytime we reply to an email or forward an email, that the signature that we've selected will automatically populate in that field as well. For now, let's just set it up for new messages. I'm going to leave no signature for my replies and forwards, which means it will be blank every time I do that. But for new messages, I'm going to go ahead and select the signature that I have just created, SBM signature 1. We'll save those settings. And now when we go ahead and start a new email, this signature automatically populates into that email. Of course, if we ever needed to manually add that signature, this icon at the top here, you just click down, you'll go ahead and select the signature that you want to add, and that's an alternate way to add that signature in there. This is also a great option to use if you have 2 or 3 people managing the same inbox that need to add their own name to every single reply. You can set up everybody's signature separately in here, and that would allow you to go ahead and populate those emails with the signature that you've selected. And that's it. Your professional email signature is ready to go, and this should speed up your efficiency when it comes to composing and replying to emails. Here at Small Business Manager, we help small business owners and managers simplify their workflows with easy, practical tools that you can start using today. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical videos just like this. And don't forget to check out smallbusinessmanager.com for more easy-to-use tools and resources that you can use every day to save time and work smarter. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.